Hello, in the last lecture, we created the hello_cpp_f.cpp file inside the src directory of the my_first_p package. In this lecture, we will write a simple C++ code to print hello from C++. We will directly open the hello_cpp_f.cpp file and start editing. We will start with including the header file. Next, in the main function, we will use the cout and printf to print the string. Now we have the code ready, and we will proceed to convert the hello_cpp_f.cpp file to an executable. This process consists of two steps. Firstly, we need to edit the cmakelist.txt file of the package and then run the catkin make command. This catkin make command is used to invoke the catkin build system. Catkin is the official build system in ROS, and it is a combination of cmake and make tools along with some extra added features. This build system generates the libraries and executables from the C++ codes using the commands written inside the cmakelist.txt file. We will start editing the cmakelist.txt file. Note here, we have two different cmakelist.txt files, one in the top level src directory and one in the my_first_p directory. We are going to edit the cmakelist.txt file corresponding to the my_first_p package. Let us go ahead and open this file. This file is a big one and we are interested in editing just a single command. The command that we are looking for is add executable. Use Ctrl+F to find it and then remove the hash sign to uncomment these lines. This command takes in two arguments. The first argument is the name of the output executable and the second argument is the input C++ file. Here, the source file is hello_cpp_f.cpp inside the src directory. Let us keep the name of the executable as hello_cppe. Again, note here that you can name this executable anything that you want. Here, I will go ahead and delete the commented lines so that it becomes a little easy to see how simple this file looks. Now we will save this file and proceed to run the catkin make command. This command will build the package using the catkin build system. One important thing to note here is that we always run this command from the top level workspace. So we will navigate to the ROS workspace directory and execute the catkin make command. And now the executable is ready. We can open the devel folder and find the executables we just made. This finishes the lecture. In the next lecture, we will see how to execute this executable. Thank you.